Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is November 30th, 2023. Months of November finished, and we are coming back with another monthly analysis. Um, I'm going to cover most important indexes and also gold in this video. And in the next video, I'm going to analyze individual names, stocks, as usual, as per daily analysis. So today's session is going to be a two videos because I didn't want to record too much video just on the one shot. So I split it into two videos because I'm going to cover lots of good materials here as well. So starting with S&P 500 daily chart, actually, let's go to a monthly chart for a bigger picture. I just want to show you where are we at. So today, volume was pretty light, 61 million. But look at the candle in months of October and also November. So this is very, very important. This is a monthly chart. This is a bigger picture, and everyone needs to look at it at least once per month and to see where are we at. So here is SMA 20. So if you remember, I said as long as we are above SMA 20, we should see some kind of like a bullish momentum in overall in a bigger picture. So any corrective move would be kind of like a buying opportunity for the next rally, because as long as we are above this SMA 20 on a monthly basis, we are basically in a bull market. So in a couple of scenarios, we've seen that a market just spiked down below SMA 20, and it was like obvious the recent one last year, 2022. And look where are we at? So we are just in a very, very short-term pain. I mean, like based on the monthly candle, you were just down for 12 months, which is 1 year, but lots of investors and traders that they suffer a lot. So if you just see this, whenever we are below SMA 20, it's kind of like a warning sign. And whenever we are below SMA 50 on a monthly basis, we are in absolute bear market. So this is kind of like a 2008. And before that, this is a 2000, 2001. So we got below SMA 20. We couldn't recapture SMA 20. We went below SMA 50. And all in all, when we are below SMA 50, we are in a bear market. So any rally would be sell. Here is any rally would be sell. Look at the capitulation. There are a couple of scenarios that we got below SMA 20, but touched SMA 50. Here's 2018. Here's 2020 COVID crash. We just went all the way down. 1 month, we just got close below SMA 20, which and 50 at the same time, March 2020, and then rejecting back up nicely in April. So markets find bottom here in March 2020. And last year, we just got rejected. Actually, SMA 50 was a pretty sharp bounce from the upside. Nice bullish consolidation here, getting all the way up to here. So the similarity is pretty neat and clean here. If you just look at this, this is 2000, 2001. We went all the way up here. This is September, and this is October. And nice bullish consolidation, November breakout to the upside. We just got a defended here SMA 50, a pretty nice surge to the upside. 3 months in a row, we went down. Pretty nice corrective move to SMA 20 to this important monthly demand area. And market just in months of October had a fantastic rally to the upside, seasonally bullish, and we are just close to breakout to the upside. If months of December we get above this pivotal point, I should say double top is going to be a very, very foreseeable scenario. Even new all-time high could be reached in Santa Claus rally just before January 1st. So all in all, I should say any pullback here next 2-3 weeks could be a good buying opportunity for a next rally to here to double top at least, or it's kind of like a getting to 49,000, 4,900, 5,000 area. That's going to be a foreseeable scenario for next 2 months. So based on the bigger picture, we are bullish. We shouldn't just be worried about this. Also, I should say, momentum-wise, RSI, we are just getting back up again. The momentum is getting back up, so we are in a good scenario. However, if we get here to some kind of like overbought condition in a monthly basis, again, we get into this important trend line, which is kind of like a warning sign, very, very warning sign. And whenever we get there, market just face a severe correction or even a short-term bear market here. So we will have time based on this. I don't know exactly when we are just getting to this. A potential scenario is going to be a very easy cycle analysis is going to be here somewhere around 2025 March. So in 2025 March, we should be careful. Right now, we are a year and a half, but it doesn't mean that we are not getting there sooner. Probably we will get sooner, like 2024, April, July, we get here, because if market gives us a good parabolic move to the upside, we will get there. But all in all, I should say, based on the bigger time frame and bigger picture, we are in a bullish momentum. We are in a good scenario for a next momentum is going to be a bullish. So shorting the market is not good idea. At least lots of bad news are in the market right now. Everyone just appalling on the bear side, and everyone is saying we should see some kind of like this rally is over. Folks, turn off your CNBC or those analysts which are just talking about their fantasies. Look at the chart. Listen what chart is telling you. And chart is pretty bullish right now. If it goes to the downside, we will get to the short side immediately. But as I just provide cycle analysis and forecast for 2023, I'm going to put a link here. Make sure watch that one, because I'm going to provide another forecast in months of January for you folks. We were calling this a lot that 2023 could be a bullish year, and we are long. I told my subscribers, and even in free channel, the one that I posted in January, I said, hey guys, this year could be a bullish year, and we will see. We are going to educate ourselves. We are going to learn about the chart, how far market is going to go to the upside. Right now, market is in a bullish momentum. It can roll over tomorrow. Sure, it can. It can roll over next month, 2-3 months below these two moving averages and then going down. Sure, it can. We will position ourselves, because if it gets below 4,000 area, I should say, monthly close, you're going to a severe bear market. And just based on the bigger picture, we can go all the way down to here to bottom of the market, even COVID crash. But right now, we don't have any, well, there is no justification to position ourselves in a short scenario. If you want to gamble, sure, you are a gambler. But based on the chart, we don't we don't take any short position, right? We don't do any crazy stuff to risk our portfolio. Moving on to daily chart, because I talked a lot about the bigger picture. I try to give you my insights and tell you exactly how I'm looking at the market and what I expect for the market. So bullish consolidation here, daily chart. We just rejected yesterday this area, but seems like market just very resilient. Buyers are coming back here around 4,500. So 4,000 or 4,500 is very resilient area. If we break this area to the downside, I should say the next move is going to be a 4,450. A maximum corrective move that I'm expecting is a 4,425 to 4,400. This is going to be the maximum level that I'm looking at. Here is the demand area. Here is the breakout here. So if market gives us great opportunity, we will get into this for the next rally, because I believe the next rally is going to be steep, epic, and good one. So the more correction, I will take it as like a corrective move, not a bear market. But right now, market is just consolidating and seems like it doesn't give us any good momentum to the downside. Today was a negative, but last I should say last hour of the trading session, it goes all the way up, just because months of November, they want to close it very positive. All right. Moving on to Nasdaq, which is our kind of like an indicator for big techies. So we got a negative day for Nasdaq. So Nasdaq just diverging its way from S&P 500. We got this shooting a star, and we got confirmation. I should say sell signal is intact. The stop loss is going to be above here. So if we get below today's low, tomorrow, December, we should see some kind of like a waterfall to the downside. I should say this area, which is going to be a 15,500, is going to be important level. And that is a fantastic buying opportunity for a reversal. If we see a reversal, then we should see some kind of like a good bullish action through to the year end, and we should see a Santa Claus rally. All right, so this is based on a momentum wise as well. So we are just signaling. We got signal a while ago, actually 2 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, for Nasdaq. That sell signal is there, but didn't give us confirmation based on price action. So right now MACD is pretty short, and MACD is about to give us a sell signal. So this sell signal could be a corrective move somewhere around something like this. Something like this going to this important, as I said, 15,400 could be a good reversal point for a correction. Moving on to monthly chart, because this is very, very important. And monthly chart, Nasdaq is kind of like the same. And it's just going above, way above SMA 20, and SMA 20 just heading up again. So this one, it was flat. This month is heading up. So if you see some kind of like a good candle here for months of December, new all-time high could be a possible scenario for Nasdaq this year in the months of December, and that would be great. That would be fantastic price action. Everyone just piling on the short side here. I was waiting for this, but when I see a reversal in this important demand area, so market just give us a good momentum to the upside. Even when we got above this SMA 20, like 6 months ago, I said, okay, we are pretty bullish. This area could be a good supply area for a rejection. Market didn't pay attention going above this. Good 3 days, 3 months actually, correction, and then months of November breakout. This is a typical price action that we want to see. We got above this pivotal point, we close above this pivotal point, which is a July top, and right now Nasdaq is giving us a great buying opportunity. Everything is okay. So again, pullback could be a buying opportunity based on the bigger picture monthly, and we should just pay attention on this one. The good performer today was Dow Jones. So before this daily chart, let me go to monthly chart and tell you exactly what's happening. So monthly chart, one of the best month for Dow Jones. You see that? So since I should say March 2022, this is a great consolidation. Look at that. So this is a December 2022. Market nicely, Dow Jones getting back up. Perfect consolidation in the monthly chart. I should say Dow is heading up to new all-time high for next months. So next few months, I should say Dow is heading to new all-time high. So this is perfectly matching with our analysis and forecast, which I said Dow could be the first one hit new all-time high this year. Still, there is going to be a chance if we see a good December, we should see some kind of like a good bullish action to the upside. 35,950 was for Dow Jones. We can get to 37, 38,000 next few months. Not December, probably January is going to be a very, very foreseeable scenario for Dow to getting to new all-time high. Good digestive move within this consolidation. Look at the MACD, it's just flattening, which is a perfect matching or scenario with this consolidation. Stochastic wise, we just hold above this overbought condition, which means that we are in good momentum. Also, look at the RSI. Full consolidation breakout can head us to new all-time high for price, however, not for this. So we should be careful about this because Dow can hit this trend line in RSI and can reject that down. So this one is coming sooner compared to the other one for Dow. But if we break out this trend line, that would be a fantastic price action. And you will see that it's going to react to the price, and price can parabolically moving to the upside. If we go to the Fibonacci Fib extension, I'm gonna just give you a tip here, which I'm just giving to my subscribers, but I'm gonna give you a tip. So here's the first reversal. 100% scenario, which is going to be here, 41,400. So 41,400 is going to be a good, perfect scenario for Dow Jones Industrial next year. I'm pretty bullish on this, which is not good for marketing overall, because we want to see some bullish price action in Nasdaq. Nasdaq should be leader, not Dow. But right now, we want to take benefit of this rally. Moving on to daily chart, which has a fantastic breakout to the upside. July top engulfed, and market didn't pay attention to this supply area. Right now, we should just bring it back a bit, zoom out, and we are pretty close to get to that double top or even new all-time high. Fantastic moving to the upside. And the reason is coming in the next video, because in the next video, I'm going to cover more individual names of stocks, and you will see that why I was mentioning about the breakout for the Dow. All right. Moving on to gold, which is another important asset, and I'm gonna just cover this potential breakout is coming for gold. And this breakout could be very, very, very massive. First of all, look at this. Before getting to this, I'm going to show you something like this. So gold, 2008, 2009, and 2009 again. We had kind of like a bullish pattern here at the top. Lots of people are saying this is going to be high, this is a lower high, and this is a lower high, and gold is going to smash down to the downside. But Federal Reserve in that time, because of the recession or Great Recession in 2008, they just bring interest rate down almost to zero to help out the economy. So that was kind of like a turmoil for gold, and you see that gold is just getting to the upside. Right now, where are we at for the interest rate? We are at the peak, and interest rate is kind of like showing the top information. And lots of people, like Bill Ackman said, Federal Reserve is going to bring the interest rate down sooner than ordinary people expected. I believe 2024 would be a rate cut for Federal Reserve and for the interest rate as well. So how much they're going to bring the rate down, I don't know, but that is going to ignite engine of treasuries and also gold and precious metals to the upside. So I'm going to just see lots of bullish action is coming. Does this mean we are heading into recession? I don't know. Probably short-term panic, recessionary panic coming to the market or sentiment. I have no idea. But this pattern tells me that gold is heading to another similar pattern. And look at the rally after this. The rally after 2009 was substantial, remarkable rally for 2 years. Look, where are we at? So it's kind of like exactly, not exactly, but it's kind of like a same pattern here. Quadruple top here is forming. And when we break out above the previous top, and let's say when we break out above 2100 in a monthly basis, okay? In a monthly basis, if we break above this, gold will head into a substantial, remarkable rally to the upside. 2,500, 3,000 is coming. You can't believe that, but this is one of those predictions based on the chart, not based on my fantasies or something like that. So make sure position yourself in gold 5 to 10%. Don't go crazy, but that's going to be a good hedge if we head into recession, if we head into like a sudden panic or something. If Federal Reserve even blink to the market that we are going to bring the rate down, gold will show a move and will show fantastically. So I'm kind of like a very, very bullish on gold. This reverse head and shoulder is forming nicely as well. So we want to see these pattern at the bottom, but this is a very, very bullish pattern. This is a good consolidation, bull flag in the monthly chart. And also I show the history, what happens before when we had this breakout. Again, another bullish pattern here as well. So this is a bull flag and this is a pole, and this is a bull flag, and this is a pole. So everything is similar to 2008, 2009. And when we see this breakout, guys, you can't catch it up. Look at the move to the upside. You wish if there was a corrective move, then I get involved. But I'm telling you, it is good time for next 2-3 weeks. If we see any pullback, that would be great buying opportunity. Okay, so just keep it in your mind. And moving on to the daily chart. Here is the daily chart. We got a corrective move with the daily. So those levels actually are pretty interesting. Right now, I'm just looking at this level as a like great buying opportunity. I don't know if market gives us a chance to test back this pivot here, because that pivot at the top is very, very important. I mean, like a 2000, 2010. So let's go here. If we just see this one here, this is a 2000, and here is the breakout level. So any pullback, I should say, to this area, let me just make it bold here for you folks as well. So any pullback to this area could be great buying opportunity, which is going to be 1987, 2010. All right. So I'm just waiting for another corrective move to here, or test, final test, probably final scenario for a spike move to the upside. So we are just waiting for oversold condition here. We just got a reversal for a corrective move. If this reversal react nicely up to this area, which is, as I said, again, low 2000, 1985, that would be great, great, great buying opportunity for gold. For this shiny metal, probably we will see more upsides coming down the road. All right. I believe I covered everything. Make sure watch the next session, which is going to be individual stocks analysis, and I'm going to cover more on that one as well. Have a fantastic day. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.